am in Marina, Long Beach, Sunday Market, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And we sell what I call a flavor booster. This is for your drinks and for your bites. And I have 3 flavors. One is with cacao cinnamon. This one has antioxidant properties. This one is cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, anti-inflammatory properties. And this one is the cardamom rosemary. This one has antimicrobial properties. All of them, the base is the same, is coconut milk powder, which has MCT oil, which is important for cognitive function, and it has coconut sugar, which has no glycemic index, so it doesn't give you that sugar rush, sugar crush. The application of them are very different and they're very versatile. You could use this one with coffee, with hot chocolate. This one is good with tea, with oatmeal, with yogurt, Greek yogurt. Last one is good with matcha tea, with green tea, with pistachio ice cream, and goat cheese. And come and visit us in Marina Market on Sundays in Long Beach, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thank you.